Uncle Abdullah, I want to marry your daughter. No, uncle, I want to marry your daughter. Since I only have one daughter, I think you guys will have to do a halal rap battle. Okay.
Of course.
Okay. You go first, brother. Okay. Here we go. You look like a true Muslim indeed, but your dress code don't meet. Cap for Allah, shorts for the daughter of Uncle Abdullah. No, that's not true, uncle. Yo, check. Your looks are mashallah. Your intentions are inshallah. Your prayers, taqabbal Allah. But your search history is astaghfirullah.